Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn to live alone. First, let's talk about getting ready. Start by making a budget to understand your money. Then, find a place that feels right for you. It's also smart to learn some basic cooking and how to fix small things around the house. Don't forget to save some money for unexpected situations, just in case. Now, let's make your new place feel like home. Choose furniture and decorations that you truly love and that make you feel comfortable. Keeping things organized will help you feel more settled and reduce stress. Add personal touches to make the space uniquely yours. Also, take a moment to understand your building's safety features and ensure your locks are secure. Living alone is also about thriving every day. Try to create a consistent daily routine. It can really help you feel grounded. Make sure to take time for yourself, whether it's relaxing or exercising, to keep your mind and body healthy. Stay in touch with loved ones and explore new hobbies or interests. These connections and activities are vital for your well-being. Finally, let's talk about handling challenges. You'll learn to fix things around the house as they come up, which builds confidence. If you ever feel lonely, reach out to friends or join a community group. Remember, it's okay to ask for help from a professional if you're having a tough time. Most importantly, celebrate all the small victories and your growing independence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.